Okay, my name is Sarah Lillard, and I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit how to make a mug brownie in your microwave. Okay. So, first off, how many people like getting care packages from home? Everybody, exactly. You get all kinds of things. You get money, you get food, and my mom always sends me baked stuff, which I don't need as an athlete, but I like it anyways. Okay. So everybody likes it. Everybody likes having home cooked stuff in their room. Some people it helps with homesickness. A lot of times you just get back to your room when you're hungry, and it's nice to have something to snack on. All right. Well, brownie in a mug. It's really inexpensive. It's easy. It's fast. It tastes really good, and sometimes stuff like that is comforting. All right. The first thing you need when you're baking anything is the correct ingredients. I've been baking/cooking for a really long time, probably since I was like 9 or 10 years old. But the correct ingredients are definitely, it's the number one thing, because if you don't have that, then your stuff is going to taste really bad. So here's the ingredients that you need. It's a 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, a 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and 1 to 2 drops of vanilla extract. And when you're making this, you need to remember, your brownie isn't going to raise, and it's not going to be as fluffy as what brownies out of the oven would be, because there aren't eggs or baking soda in this recipe. Okay, so when you're making this, you need an 8-ounce mug, preferably ceramic, because sometimes ceramic mugs have metal in them, and it kind of messes up what you're doing. You need to add all the dry ingredients in your mug and mix them with a fork just because it removes more clumps and mixes everything better than what a spoon does. After you mix all your dry ingredients, you need to mix all your wet ingredients as well and keep them separate. And then once everything is mixed, you add all your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients and then mix with a fork again to remove all the lumps. And then you can put your mug in the microwave. When you're doing this, sometimes it's nice to put a plate under your mug in case it runs over or anything, which it usually doesn't happen, but just in case. It needs to be in the microwave anywhere from 90 seconds to 2 minutes. Each microwave is different. Depending on the wattage of your microwave is how long you need to put it in. So if you don't know that, then just start with 60 seconds and keep increasing the time and putting it back in until your brownie is cooked all the way through. It shouldn't be dry. When you test it, it shouldn't be dry. It should still be a little bit moist. So, because nobody likes dry baked goods, it's just gross. Alright, so you take your brownie out, and after it's cooled, it's ready to eat. A lot of people eat them plain. I put milk on mine. And you can put ice cream or whipped topping on it.